Welcome back mga kasangbahay. Kayo ay nanonood pa rin sa programang Bayanihan. Mahalagang component ng IPSP Bayanihan ang whole of nation approach. Kaya naman kaisa ng Armed Forces ang mga maraming stakeholders at partners sa pagsusulong ng kapayapaan. Noong nakaraang Sabado, ating nakapanayam ang 3 sa 20 awardees ng AFP Bayanihan Awards Night. Ngayon, atin namang makakausap ang isang awardee na partner ng Northern Luzon Command na walang sawang sumusuporta sa pagtatayo ng mga silid-aralan sa ilalim ng NOLCOM Campaign Plan Ugnayan. Let's welcome to the program Mr. Katsutoshi Shimizu, founder of RK Shimizu Foundation. Good evening, Mr. Shimizu.
Konbanwa, Admiral.
You know, Mr. Shimizu, we are inspired that people from all walks of life, people who are not even Filipinos, have come to the Philippines to help us build the road to peace. Please give us a background about what RK Shimizu Foundation is all about.
Okay, first time I met the Secretary Registrar of Education in December 2010. I learned from him the 152,000 classroom shortage and the 2,600,000 volunteer shortage. So immediately I established my foundation, which is RK Shimizu Nagasaki Foundation, Inc.
And this foundation is focused on building classrooms for Filipino students?